Every teacher was once a student, every winner was once a loser, and every expert was once a beginner. But all of them crossed a bridge called learning. Hello everyone, I am Savitri Saini. I am working as lecturer in English at Government Senior Secondary Smart School Ladewali. I am truly indebted to our department, our mentors and authorities for providing such a wonderful platform like EBC, that is English Booster Club, to hone English speaking skills of both the teacher and the taught. Respected teachers, all of you know, last week our schools had organized library langar, and I too borrowed a book from the library of my school, and that is this one. Vivekanand, world teacher, his teachings on the spiritual unity of humankind. Today I would like to share review of this book with you all in a few words. In this book, Swami Vivekananda has promoted spiritual humanism, that is to embrace entire humanity regardless of caste, color, creed, country, race, religion and social affiliations. The moment of life is a search for true self. Swami Vivekananda says, the God in you is the God in all. And if you haven't known this thing, you have known nothing. Survival of the fittest may be true, but up to a certain level of evolution. And beyond that, self-sacrifice for the good of others is the driving principle of life. We can transform the world by transforming ourselves first. And the key to this transformation is the transformation of the consciousness. According to Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of perfection already in a person. We can change our destiny with our knowledge and awareness of our true self, and with our selfless efforts and spiritual humanism. This book has really proved a source of enlightenment for me, because when Swami Vivekananda quotes, "Every soul is a star," these very words at once awakened me to the fact that every student in our classes is a star, and it's our duty to make that star shine. So let's move on our path with devotion and dedication in order to make these stars shine brighter on the horizon with infinite possibilities. With this, I take leave of you all. Thank you. Please keep reading, keep learning. Have a nice day.